Residential Society Question and Answer Set 12. Number 1. Right to equal use of common areas. Scenario. In a housing society in Mumbai, a group of residents blocks children from playing in the common garden, claiming it is only for senior citizens. Question. Can a specific group legally restrict access to common areas for others? Answer. No. Common areas belong collectively to all members. Unless a rule is passed legally under society bylaws, discrimination is not allowed. Number 2. Right to transparency in financial matters. Scenario. The managing committee refuses to share expense maintenance details despite repeated requests. Question. Do members have the right to inspect society financial records? Answer. Yes. Under cooperative society laws, members have the right to access audited accounts and expense details for transparency. Number 3. Right to participate in general body meetings. Scenario. Important redevelopment decisions are taken without informing several members. Question. Is a decision valid if proper notice of the meeting was not given? Answer. No. Proper notice is mandatory. Decisions taken without quorum or notice can be legally challenged. Number 4. Protection against discrimination. Scenario. A family is denied tenancy approval because they belong to a different state. Question. Can a society reject residents based on religion, caste or region? Answer. No. Discrimination violates constitutional principles and housing regulations. Number 5. Right to peaceful living. Scenario. One resident plays loud music past midnight regularly. Question. Can society intervene in noise-related disputes? Answer. Yes. Societies must enforce local police and municipal noise rules to ensure peaceful coexistence. Number 6. Right to safety and security. Scenario. The society refuses to repair broken CCTV cameras despite theft incidents. Question. Is the society responsible for maintaining safety infrastructure? Answer. Yes. The managing committee is responsible for maintaining common security systems. Number 7. Right to fair maintenance charges. Scenario. Maintenance is charged unequally without any approved formula. Question. Can maintenance charges be arbitrary? Answer. No. Charges must follow approved bylaws and be appropriate, usually based on area or equal share as per rules. Question 8. Right to raise complaints without harassment. Scenario. A member questioning financial irregularities is socially boycotted. Question. Can the society penalize a member for raising concerns? Answer. No. Members have the legal right to question governance without harassment. Number 9. Right to redevelopment transparency. Scenario. In a redevelopment proposal in Pune, some committee members negotiate privately with a builder. Is member consent required for redevelopment? Answer. Yes. A legally defined majority as per state law must approve redevelopment decisions. Number 10. Right to unity over personal conflicts. Scenario. Two groups within the society divide residents during festival celebrations, refusing to allow joint participation. Question. Can society funds be used for selective group celebrations? Answer. No. Common funds must benefit all members equally unless approved democratically. Many thanks for watching my video and happy learning. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a feedback comment. Many thanks for your support and having great connection.